Windows 11, Network, Desktop 2, Computer file and folder sharing, username and password. How to share files and folders using a password. In this example, I share a folder on the desktop and use a laptop to access the shared folder from the desktop. Follow these steps. Shared folder. I set a password to share this folder. Properties. Sharing. Advanced sharing. Share this folder. OK, network path. Next. Create a new account to share the folder using a password. Computer management. Local users and groups. Users. New user. I use this to access the shared folder from the laptop. Username. Password. Confirm password. Password never expires. Create. New user. Continue sharing and setting up folder sharing. Properties. Share. Add user. Add the newly created account. User 0, 1. Read and write. Share. Turn on network discovery. Done. Advanced sharing. Ensure only one account can access this shared folder. Permissions. Everyone. Remove. User 0, 1. Check names. User 0, 1. Full control. Apply. Leave only one user. Apply. Security. Everyone. Everyone. Remove. User 0, 1. Full control. Apply. OK. Sharing. Sharing network and sharing center. Set up sharing in Windows 11. Private networks. Enable network discovery. Enable file and printer sharing. All networks. Enable password protected sharing. Enable public folder sharing. Continue setting up private network, and internet. Wi-Fi. Select the network you are using. Properties. Private network. Configure firewall and security settings. Allow folder sharing through the firewall. Allow an app through firewall. Change settings. Network discovery. Private and public. Okay, next, set up a network without a domain. Settings. System. About. Advanced system settings. Computer name. Network ID. Next, my company uses a network without a domain. Workgroup. Finish. Restart Windows 11 to apply changes. The above are the steps to set up a password for sharing files and folders in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Network. Desktop 2. Username. User 01. Password 123. Shared folder.